Hello everyone, my name is Danish Mahmood and this is CS50's Introduction to Game Development Assignment 0, where we have to implement an AI into the Pong. So the way I wanted it is like we have three different options. So if we press I, then both the paddles will be controlled by the players like I'm doing here, and it is also by default. So if we press O, then the player 2 will be controlled by by the human, and the player 1 will be controlled by the AI. And if we press P, then both the players will be controlled by the AI. So let's get to the demo. So it is by default both paddles can be controlled by the humans. As you can see, I'm controlling it. So if I press enter, and I'm playing both as the humans. Now if I press O, then you can see that the player 1 is controlled by the A and player 2 is controlled by me. And if I press P, now you can see that both the paddles are controlled by the AI. So if we can see how I am controlling these things, so that's it. I have a variable which is like controlling these things. So if the user press I, then the both players AI, like the variable, will get the value of both players. And if we press O, then the both players AI will get the value of, like, the player 1 will be AI. And if we press P, then the both AI will be selected. So let's go where this is happening. So here is the code. So we can see if the variable contains the value of both AI, then there is a function in the paddles class that is controlling the AI methods. So I am passing just the ball object as well as the virtual height of the screen. So in case of the both AI is selected, that is the user press P, then both the players will get the AI method. But if the both players AI will be, like, the variable has the player 1 AI, then that means only player 1 will get the AI method, and the player 2 will get the same function as presented in the lecture. And if it is equal to the both players, then that means both will get the keyboard function, that the human can control both the players through the keyboards. Now if we go to the paddle class where we have the AI functionality, so AI is pretty simple. I'm just initializing the Y value of the paddle of the player with the Y value of the ball. In that way the paddle will follow the ball, that is the Y's value. So it is not going to miss the ball in any case. But this condition right here is just making sure that the paddle will not go off the screen. Like in a situation like if the ball goes down, then the paddle's height, then the paddle will follow it and it will go off the screen. So in order to prevent or avoid the situation, I'm just making sure that if the ball goes down and the paddle's width on the ball Y is greater than the virtual height -20. -20 is because that's the paddle height. Then the paddle will just gonna stop at the end of the screen and not just going to follow the player. So that's it. Thank you very much.